Be my client for the day. Today we are doing wedding industry. We are starting with just Ayana Elizabeth. The first thing you need to know about brides is the majority of them are at least a little bit bougie, and they also don't want to get scammed, so they get nervous buying from personal brands. So I would go to namecheck.com and find a unified handle that you can use for your website and all your social media handles as well. Brides are hanging out on 3 main places on social media: Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. So I would create on TikTok and repurpose your TikToks as Instagram Reels and Pinterest idea pin. And whenever you have finished invitations, feel free to snap pics and share them on Instagram. I would make sure all of your content points to a free wedding design guide that's a freebie that brings people to your email list so you can nurture them to become paid clients who order invitations. We put together the best hashtags for you to use for Instagram and TikTok based on that which will attract dream clients. For your captions, I recommend using romantic and dream wedding quotes, followed by accepting clients for fall of 2023. Enjoy!